Okay, everybody, hi. As you can see, we've had a nice early spring. I'm loving this. And we have, sadly, to report not one single beehive that survived the winter. So I am now tearing them down. I'm going to set them aside so that when I do get the next batch of bees, I'm going to set up some new hives. And that way it'll clean them up and they'll be able to, start over. But we're having such great weather, it's time. So I had the first big bumblebee catch me today. That was neat, just buzzing around me. That makes me happy. And the chickens are out. The horses are resting. And this, Heather, is for you. This is some of the horses we have. And then all the way down through there, you've got all those horses. All the way down to the river. Just a beautiful view, just a beautiful sky. I could never complain about the Pacific Northwest skies. They're just gorgeous. We have so much vegetation, we have so much to protect too. We've got the Oregon white oak, which is extremely important that we don't disturb. We don't disturb their root systems by putting motorized vehicles across them, and those are the horses flirting. And we certainly don't want to tear them down for any reason. We've got wonderful neighbors. We've got this other pasture here on the side as well with some of our other horses that are there, some of the boarders. And then of course it's just a matter of just getting the summer started because spring is coming early. And I have dirt on my nose because I moved some chicks into a little pump house for some extra support. They needed a bigger cage. So much is going on right now, and I hope that you'll go to honeybeemyteacher.com and read my latest blog from last week. And I'm getting ready to blog again today. These are more on the life lessons from the honeybee and observations. People think that we go to the honeybee and we talk all positive, but there is negative too. And of course, there's yin and yang, there's balance. Life requires both. There has to be positive and negative in order for things to conduct. So we want to make sure that we're mindful of that and empty our heads of the stuff and the clutter and fill it up with better things. And then, we'll be in a much better place. So the blueberries have been moved. Anywhere I go, anywhere I reside, I will always be planting for the honeybee and all the other pollinators. That's just what I'll do. And then I hope that you will too. And I'm just gonna move on with that. We do have a lamb on the ground today. His name is Elvis. Our granddaughter Micaiah named him. And he's healthy. He's fine with mom. He's running around the field. And then Audrey has been promoted to her own pen in the barn. So she's outside now. She's just a normal sheep, just like everybody else. And she's adapting well. So thank you for being such a good friend to the honeybees. And on behalf of BeMyHoney.honeybees and me, I just want you to know that it's very important that we be mindful and care about each other. If we could exercise care with ourselves like the honeybees do for each other, I think we'll do better. And that's something that maybe we should look into, huh? I will. In the meantime, I love you guys, and I will see you later on, okay?